Hey there, and welcome to today's guide on how to upgrade your laptop by installing an SSD disk. Don't worry, we're going to walk through every step so it's easy to follow. So let's get started. Now, for some laptops, the installation process is very simple. There's just one small cap that needs to be unscrewed, and voila, you have the place for the disk. However, for many others, like the model in this video, we'll need to remove the entire back cover. Before we start removing the cover, the most important thing is to remove the battery. So, let's remove the battery first. After that, we can start removing the screws one by one. To make things easier, we'll start with the screw for the DVD burner. If you have a DVD burner, remove it as well, just like in this video. Then, we'll continue removing the rest of the screws. Also, always check under the rubbers that serve to prevent the laptop from slipping. After removing all the screws, start to slowly remove the back cover. Do this slowly and gently so as not to break the cover. Once you open the laptop, you'll see where the hard drive is located. Now, in this model, there's no hard drive here because it uses an M.2 SSD. If your model also has an M.2 SSD, then it will be empty for you as well. But anyways, let's put the disk in now. Place the disk and make sure it is properly seated in the groove. The location where the disk is stored can vary in size. Sometimes, you may need a spacer to ensure proper placement. However, with the specific model showcased in the video, a spacer is not required due to the grooves on the back cover. These grooves secure the disk in place, preventing it from moving around. In some laptop models, the designated spot for the disk is already the perfect size, and no spacer is necessary for proper placement. After you're sure that it's correctly adjusted, put the cover back on the laptop. First, make sure all the grooves are in place, and also insert your DVD burner. After adjusting everything, tighten the screws carefully and don't miss any because some are bigger screws. Screw them back in where and what they were before. Once you're done, it's time to turn on the laptop, and if you're installing an SSD as your primary hard drive, you'll need to install your preferred operating system after starting up your computer. This could be Windows, Linux, or another operating system of your choice. But if you're using the SSD as a storage device as a second disk alongside your existing hard drive, then in the next part of the video, I'll show you how to set it up and start using it right away. So, stick around, and let's get started. After turning it on, go to this PC. Once you're there, click on Properties in the upper left corner. From there, click on Storage. And then click on Manage Storage Space. Now, select Create a new pool in storage space. Here, you'll see your new drive. Just select it to add it to the new storage space, and then select Create Pool. Then, just put a name for your storage disk. For example, storage space. Then, choose a letter under which it will be. For example, I would put it under D, but it is still busy for me, so I will put it under A. So under resiliency type, choose simple, no resiliency, if you don't want to make a copy of the data that would take up double space. Then for the end, click on Create Storage Space. And that's it, your disk is successfully installed. I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.